What's happening, everyone? We're back today with another video on the ST. Today we're going to be fitting an ambient air temperature sensor because my one has failed. It reads -40 at the best of times and sometimes just leaves two lines in the middle of the dash and has now caused the engine light to come on and the car to overfuel. So we need to get this done quite quickly because we want the car to be running in tip-top condition and not thinking it's in the middle of the Arctic somewhere freezing its nuts off. So let's get to it. Okay, so we're going to start by just removing the grille, which just unclicks from the bumper itself. We'll just place that to one side. Just going to remove both headlights from the car. I'll only film this on one side to save boring you with details, but you'll have one screw here, here and here. Also remember just to unplug the plug. And as you can see, there's two bolts that will be shown at the back and one here, which will be presented to you underneath like so. So we'll just get those out and then we can move on to the other side. Then you want to take out, there will be a T20 here, but as you can see mine's gone, but there is another one just here. Allows you to get the arch liner out of the way to get to that last bolt just there on the bumper. And that's the last one out. So this side should just technically drop out now. It will take a bit of wiggling because the bumper's held in by pins. I'll just click into the wing, but I'm not going to do that as of yet because I want to get the other side off, but I'll just quickly do that off camera just to save you boring you with the details. And also, if you do have fog lights connected still, just be sure to disconnect them by just twisting the bulb, and she will just fall out like that. But yeah, we'll just get the other side off and then next clip should show you with the bumper off the car. Okay, so now I've got to both sections out of the, or unbolted from the car. We're just gonna get this bumper taken off. Okay, so from first glance, if we give a little zoom in, that is exactly where that sensor is, that black rectangle just here, and it will click through to the actual crash bar itself. So let's get these out. They are a bit of a pain. And as you can see, there's a problem with mine straight away. The wire is broken because it's greened out due to old age, and that's what's giving me my false reading. These usually do click in, however mine is just sort of sitting freelance here, and it's just one little plug that you press to disconnect and it's free. So we'll just, all you do, I'll show you again, slide it to the right, she will just come clean out. Put it the right way. If you want the part number, that's it there. I'll just quickly highlight around it. But yeah, as you can see with mine, the wire is greened out and that's what's caused it to fail. So this is a new one, just an aftermarket one I bought off eBay, even though it does have some sort of part number written but no Ford stamp, so it could be the real deal, I don't know yet. But we'll just get this fitted. Hopefully this will solve our problem. Like so. Slide it back in, and that's that. And then bugger in. And hopefully that should be it. It's not too much work, I wouldn't say it's a crazy amount. However, if this is the first time for you, I can see that taking a bumper off is quite a daunting task, but literally that is it. They're not entirely crazy to do. It's literally just a simple plug and they just slot into the actual crash bar themselves. So we just turn the ignition on, and as you can see now, we're getting a reading of 29 degrees C. Don't know how accurate that is. It's not majorly hot out today, however it is quite muggy, so I'll just keep an eye on it. If it comes to it, then I'll just change it for a genuine sensor, but we're actually getting a temperature reading now, which is nice. Much better than before. So this is what we were getting before. I don't know if you can see that, it's quite hard to tell. But as you can see, absolutely nothing, no reading at all, and we had the engine light on. So that's all for today's video, guys. I hope it helped you out. I will leave all the fault codes and stuff that you may get from this at the start of the video, just so you know what's going on, because obviously if an engine light does come on, then it is quite concerning at times. But yeah, this does cause an engine light. I'll show you the code that you'll get, which shows that you will need to actually change sensor. However, that's all for today. We're going to leave the bumper off because I've got another job to be doing on this in a little while. But yeah, it's just a refit in reverse order. As you can see, it's quite a simple job on this, just more annoying that you have to take the whole bumper off to get to it. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you like what you saw, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one.